78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. But here's the shocking part. This isn't just people earning minimum wage. It includes six-figure earners, people driving luxury cars, and posting success stories online. What if I told you the neighbor in a brand new BMW could actually be one emergency away from financial disaster? And what if that Instagram lifestyle you've been trying to keep up with is built entirely on debt? This is the new poverty. It hides behind status symbols, wears expensive clothes, and fills your feed with perfect photos while drowning in quiet financial stress. The scariest part? You might be living it right now without realizing it. Before we dive in, let me ask you something. If your income was cut off tomorrow, how long could you actually survive before running out of money? Comment "Wake Up Call" below and be honest, your answer could open someone else's eyes too. Today I'll reveal 6 clear signs that you're secretly broke, the psychological traps keeping high earners poor, and the exact shifts you need to escape this invisible prison. Let's start with the first and deadliest sign, the resignation trap. Welcome to 86 Dawn Finance YouTube channel, where we break down the hidden mechanisms controlling your financial life. Let's break it all down. No fluff, just the truth. Sign 1: the resignation trap. One of the clearest signs of hidden poverty is when you've mentally given up on wealth. You tell yourself that rich people are lucky, connected, or born into privilege. You convince yourself that financial success is for everyone except you. It's like being a prisoner who has the key to escape but never bothers to use it. The psychology is devastating. When you believe wealth isn't possible, you unconsciously make choices to prove yourself right. You don't invest because the market is rigged. You don't start a side business because you're not connected. You don't learn about money because that's for smart people. Every belief becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy that keeps you broke. The truth is, your beliefs shape your bank account. If you believe you'll always be stuck, you'll keep making decisions that guarantee it. The way out begins with a single shift: deciding that you deserve more than financial mediocrity. Write down one income goal, one savings goal, and one wealth-building action you'll take this month. Belief isn't magic, but it is the fuel behind every financial breakthrough. Next, let's look at another trap that destroys wealth: the disease of instant gratification. Sign 2: instant gratification disease. Living for today while ignoring tomorrow is the hallmark of the new poor. Instead of planting seeds for the future, you eat them. You chase temporary pleasures, luxury vacations, the newest phone, endless restaurant splurges, while your emergency fund and investments remain empty. Every dollar you spend for instant satisfaction is a dollar that can never compound into lasting wealth. Imagine 2 people with the same income. One invests $500 a month starting now. The other delays for 5 years. At retirement age, the early saver could have nearly double the wealth of the procrastinator, simply because time supercharged their compounding. Every month you wait is growth you can never get back. The problem isn't enjoying life today. It's when today completely kills tomorrow. Your brain craves dopamine now, but financial freedom only arrives decades later for those who plan. The solution is balance. Automate a fixed percentage into investments first. Then enjoy what's left. Treat saving like rent. You don't ask if you should pay it. You just do. Coming up next is a hidden cultural trap that silently keeps millions in financial ignorance: the money taboo. Sign 3: the money taboo. Here's a surprising sign of hidden poverty. You avoid talking about money. You'd rather discuss politics or even personal problems than admit financial struggles. But silence doesn't cure anything, it makes it worse. Think about it. Wealth-building cultures teach kids about money from a young age. They openly discuss investments, debt, and budgeting. Meanwhile, most households keep finances off limits. You don't talk about it with your spouse until a crisis. You don't ask friends how they're investing. You avoid financial advisors because you're embarrassed. This silence traps you in ignorance, while others build wealth through shared knowledge. The fear is that talking about money will expose your mistakes. But here's the paradox. The less you talk, the more mistakes you make. The longer you avoid conversations, the worse the outcomes become. The solution is to start small. Pick one financial goal and discuss it with someone you trust. Schedule monthly check-ins with your partner. Remember, knowledge multiplies when it's shared. Breaking the money taboo is the first step toward escaping the cycle of quiet financial stress. Now let's explore another trap amplified by social media: the comparison curse. Sign 4: the comparison curse. Keeping up with the Joneses has gone digital. Social media is now a 24/7 engine of comparison that makes millions secretly broke. You scroll through feeds, see vacations, cars, and designer outfits, and feel pressured to match them, never realizing those people might be broke too. It's like running a race while staring at other runners instead of the finish line. You lose focus on your own goals because you're obsessed with someone else's image. You trade a paid-off car for a financed upgrade because a neighbor did. You book trips on credit because an influencer posted theirs. You destroy your real wealth to compete with other people's illusions. The harsh truth is that many of the people you're comparing yourself to are drowning in debt. You're spending real money to compete with their fake success. The solution is radical focus on your own lane. Track your net worth, not your neighbor's. Ask, does this choice build wealth or just look impressive? The moment you stop comparing, your finances start improving. But comparison often leads to the next dangerous trap: financing everything you own. Sign 5: the installment illusion. Another clear sign of hidden poverty is when everything in your life is financed. Your car, your couch, your phone, even your jewelry. On the surface it looks like ownership. In reality, you're just renting your lifestyle. Installment payments feel manageable because they're small, but they add up to invisible chains. That $70 monthly gadget plan, the $400 car payment, the $50 furniture plan. Suddenly your entire paycheck is spoken for before it even arrives. You don't own your stuff. Your debt owns you. The danger is that you justify purchases by asking, "Can I afford the monthly payment?" instead of, "Can I actually afford this?" This thinking locks up your future income, leaving you unprepared for emergencies or opportunities. The way out is discipline. If you can only afford it in 12 installments, you can't afford it yet. Save first. Buy with cash. True ownership builds wealth. Endless payments build a prison. Finally, let's look at the most dangerous trap of all: relying on one paycheck for everything. Sign 6: the one paycheck prison. The last sign that you're secretly broke is dependence on a single paycheck. If your job disappeared tomorrow, would you survive? For most, the answer is no. Depending entirely on one income source is like balancing on a one-legged stool. When it breaks, you crash completely. This is financial fragility at its worst. It doesn't matter if you earn $30,000 or $100,000 if you have no backup. You're vulnerable. The solution has two parts. First, build an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. This creates breathing room when life surprises you. Second, add a second income stream, even if small at first. A freelance skill, tutoring, selling digital products, or a rental room. Reinvest everything from that stream into savings and investments until it grows into real security. True financial freedom comes from diversification. One paycheck is dependence. Multiple engines are independence. Conclusion. So here are the 6 signs that you might be living the new poverty without realizing it. The resignation trap. Instant gratification disease. The money taboo. The comparison curse. The installment illusion. And the one paycheck prison. Recognize them. Break them, and you can escape the invisible financial stress that traps so many people today. Now I want to hear from you. Which do you think is worse, looking rich but being broke, or looking average but quietly building wealth? Comment your answer below, because I know this will spark debate. And if you're ready to stop being secretly broke and start building genuine financial freedom, hit subscribe and ring the bell. More strategies are on the way to help you master money without falling into the traps of the new poor. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please note that 86 Dawn Finance does not offer advice on taxes, legal matters, investments, or finances. The content is intended solely for educational purposes and should not be considered professional advice. For personalized guidance, please consult your own qualified advisors. Although the information has been carefully researched and reviewed, it may not represent the latest legal or financial updates. Viewers are advised to confirm the accuracy and timeliness of the information, particularly before making any major financial or legal decisions. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered, and stay our 86 Dawn Finance channel.